Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace an overfill funnel tube in this KitchenAid dishwasher, you will need a 5/16" nut driver and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, turn off the power to the dishwasher. Use the 5/16" nut driver to unthread the two screws, securing the lower access panel and toe panel to the frame. With the screws unthreaded, you can set the panels aside. Pull out the remaining insulation. Depress the side retaining clips so you can pull the drip tray forward. Release the tabs and fully detach the float switch from the tray. Depending on which tube you're replacing, use the small flathead screwdriver to depress the retaining tab to release the water inlet valve bracket or the junction box from the support bar, then move it out of the way. You can now pull the old tube off of the overfill funnel, if still intact. To install the new overfill funnel tube, align it on the funnel port and push up until secure. Realign the water inlet valve bracket or junction box on the support bar and snap it into position on the retaining tab. This may require some effort. Partially reposition the drip tray and snap the switch into the tray. Now fully reposition the tray, snapping it into place. Realign the insulation. Now realign the toe panel and insulation. Then reposition the access panel and thread the two screws to secure. Turn the power supply back on, and the dishwasher should be ready for use.